Hey guys, we're working over here doing these rails here. We already fabricate them. We just put it in here. We just build them on big panels. They're not too heavy. This is a nice view. We are in Bel Air right now. As you can see, we got already this thing on the floor ready to install. Okay, here's another little update. So we do the final touching. That guy was welding the corner that right there. And that's it. This is the whole job. She's drilling the tile with a special drill bit because other than that we're going to crack the tile. But this is how we're going right now. We leave those plastics there because we want to leave it until they want to use it. Va de nuevo, sácame este lazo de aquí.